Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the site where we are going to install natural lawn grass in terrace. Installing natural lawn grass on a terrace requires careful planning and execution to ensure a successful and thriving green space. Step 1. Assess the terrace. Inspect the terrace's structure and surface to ensure it can support the weight of the lawn. Check for any cracks, leaks, or drainage issues that need to be addressed before proceeding. Step 2. Measure and plan. Measure the area of the terrace to determine the amount of grass you'll need. Consider factors like sunlight exposure, wind patterns, and water access to plan the layout and choose the right type of grass suitable for your climate. Step 3. Prepare the surface. Clear the terrace of any debris, rocks, or existing vegetation. Level the surface and ensure it has proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. You may need to add a layer of topsoil or a suitable growing medium to support the grass. Step 4. Select the grass. Choose a high-quality grass variety suitable for your region's climate and light conditions. Common options include Bermuda grass, Kentucky bluegrass, and fescue varieties. Consult with a local nursery or landscaping expert for the best choice. Apply a suitable fertilizer to help the grass establish and promote healthy growth. Regularly water the lawn as needed, making sure it gets sufficient moisture, especially during dry spells. Mow the grass regularly to maintain the desired height and remove any weeds that may appear. Applying chemical fertilizer to your lawn can help provide essential nutrients that promote healthy growth and vibrant greenery. However, it's essential to do it correctly to avoid over-fertilization, which can harm the grass and the environment. Start spreading the fertilizer in straight lines, overlapping slightly to ensure even coverage. Walk at a steady pace to avoid over-application in certain areas. Remember, while chemical fertilizers can improve the appearance of your lawn, it's also essential to practice other lawn care techniques such as proper mowing, watering, and aeration to maintain a healthy and beautiful lawn in the long run. After applying manure to your lawn or garden, it is essential to mix the soil properly to ensure the organic matter is distributed evenly and efficiently. Properly mixing the manure into the soil allows the nutrients to be absorbed by the plants and prevents potential issues like nutrient imbalance and odor. If you have freshly applied fresh manure, allow it to sit on the surface of the soil for a day or two. This helps reduce the risk of nitrogen burn or any potential pathogens present in the manure. To mix the manure into the soil, you can use a garden fork, shovel, or a tiller. For small areas, a garden fork or shovel may be sufficient, while larger areas may require a tiller for more efficient mixing. Break up any large clumps of manure to ensure an even distribution. This helps the nutrients to be more accessible to plant roots. Start laying the sod. Begin laying the sod along the longest straight edge of your lawn. Place the rolls end to end, tightly abutting them to create a seamless look. Avoid overlapping the rolls. Stagger the joints. Stagger the joints of each new row like you would when laying bricks. This pattern prevents visible seams and promotes a more even growth. Cutting and fitting. Use a sharp knife or sod cutter to trim the edges and fit the sod around obstacles like trees, flower beds, and pathways. Make clean and precise cuts for a polished appearance. Rolling the sod. Once the entire lawn is sodded, gently roll the entire area with a lawn roller to ensure good contact between the sod and the soil. This step helps eliminate air pockets and encourages rooting. Before planting Korean grass or any other grass type on your terrace, it's recommended to consult with a local horticulturist or landscaping expert. They can provide guidance based on your specific location and the conditions of your terrace to help you make the best choice for a successful and vibrant lawn. Transforming a barren or neglected area into a beautiful and vibrant lawn can provide a sense of accomplishment and pride in your gardening efforts. Watering after installation. After completing the sod installation, Water the entire lawn thoroughly to encourage root growth and settle the soil. Remember that maintaining your lawn is essential to keep it looking its best. Regular watering, mowing, and occasional fertilization and aeration will help ensure your lawn remains healthy, green, and attractive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates.